Hello, and welcome to week 2, our second week of class. Remember that we still find everything in the Welcome Back Spring Semester folder. We are finished with week 1. We will now go to week 2. So you click here, February 15th to the 19th. We did not have class yesterday, so our day 1 will begin today, Tuesday, February 16th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. The first one is a Nearpod grammar lesson. Remember, I told you I would give you very elaborate, long, and thorough lessons about grammar topics. So you will be doing the lesson on your own with a lot of information. Let's click here, and this box will show up. You will type in your name and then you click join session lesson. Then you are going to take notes. You will read the slides and take notes. This topic is fragments and sentences. So you read and take notes, continue to do the same, continue to do the same, read and take notes, read and take notes, read and take notes, and then you come to a question that you must answer. So it says, give two examples of sentences. You click here and you type your two sentences. Okay, these are just examples. All right, and then you submit. If you do not submit, you cannot go further. So it's very important that you submit your response. Click submit after you type. Then you continue. The first group was about sentences. Now these slides are about fragments. So you do the same thing. You read and take notes. You read and take notes. And here you will watch a video about fragments. After you finish the video, you continue to read and take notes, and then you will answer another question. Give two examples of fragments. So you will put your two examples. Okay. And then you click submit. Here you will watch a video. As you watch the video, there will be places. These blue dots is where the video will stop and you will answer a question. So you play the video. So it will stop at the blue and you answer the question. So it says number 1. So you look at sentence number 1, you say if it's a sentence or a fragment, and you continue to do the same throughout the video. And when you're done, you click submit. Okay. And then you continue playing. After you finish watching the video and answering the questions, you are blocked because you have not answered. So you have to make sure that you answer all of the questions before you continue. Okay, now that we finished answering the video, The questions in the video, we play a game called A Time to Climb. So you choose your emoji and you continue to play. So you just go through and it'll tell you correct answer. And then that's it. Now you will do your final for the lesson. What is the difference between a sentence and a fragment? And you type in your answer here and you submit. You can simply say a sentence is, and then you explain what a sentence is. A fragment is, and you explain what a fragment is. However you choose, you feel to answer this question. And always remember to submit your answers. And that's it for the grammar lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available. The second assignment in asynchronous is sorting and categorizing. We did this last week with before traditional school and distance learning. If you guys remember, you clicked and dragged in small groups. So you're doing the same thing. The reason we're doing this is to organize. So when we are writing, we have our thoughts together about the same topics. All right. So you're going to, here's the activity. There are two colored boxes. You put them at the top, just like you did for the activity in class last week. So you have during the pandemic and you have before the pandemic. Okay. And you click and drag. Now, when you are done, you can screenshot this. Remember to use the snipping tool. All right, in search, you can search for a snipping tool like we did last week with the online quiz, and snipping tool shows up, and then you can select what you put together and then do the same thing as you did here. You save it, and then you will file it in your, you save it. Just save the picture. Okay. And that's it for asynchronous work. That's your homework for Tuesday. Your It is Tuesday, so we will be meeting together on Zoom and we will do a little check-in, talk about distance learning and discussions and communicating and empathy versus sympathy. I know the video is long. We have a lot to do, and it's our first time doing Nearpod. So if you have any questions, let me know. And that's it for today. Good luck.